What's going on, guys? D5, it's your boy Stunna Breezy, baby. Stunna Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunna Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunna Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Going on, guys? It's your boy Reverend Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another little video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might catch me a bluesy. I know it's Sunday, so Rev got to step back on the blues. You understand what I'm saying? But we here finna go pass around this collection plate. You hear, baby? Birdman hand. Why? I do this for being glad and walking to get you this money, baby. Let's get to it. Anyway, man, I'm tripping already, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey. You know we're going to start with the king, and I ain't talking about Elvis, baby. Drip, baby, drip, come on, drip, baby, drip, come on. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see. Gee, I don't even know what the price is. I can care. The price can be $1,000. If this out here ain't working, then it don't matter. It don't matter. Well, the price go to $1,000. They say, well, you know, for sustainability, we got to drop the percentage down to 0.1. Now, that don't work for me. You keep my percentage right where it is, you understand? But anyway, what it is, $3,400. Ooh, why? $652. I'm gonna put that right here back in the system. Hydrate, baby. They don't act like they ain't no lot of money now. That's $100 bills. Can you imagine somebody just counting off $100 bills, putting that in your hand right now? Well, you're gonna have a good week that week, boy. That's somebody's whole paycheck for 2-3 weeks. Get what I'm finna do with it. Put it right back in the system. Hydrate. Let's see where it's gonna put me at. See where it's gonna put me at. Let's see. That's 23. Let's see where it's gonna put me at. We'll see. Finger nut. You ain't gonna get it to me. What we gonna do? What we gonna do, baby? Oh, daddy. We gonna hydrate now. We gonna hydrate. Whether you like it or not, baby. We hydrate. Hopefully this put me way over 24. Maybe 25. We gonna see. There it is. 24.5. Well, I'm headed on to max. You can do it too, baby. I'm saying, I like freedom. I like to move about. Say what you want about drip garden, piggy bank, all that. But you can move about freely. Do what you want. It's your money. Do what you want freely. You want to take it, take it. You want to compound it, compound it. Look at that drip reservoir. That's what I'm saying. I'm drip everything, baby. You see it? You understand what I'm saying? I ain't none with all that. Putting a straight jacket on me like it feel good. Oh, yeah. Oh, what? Oh, I think this cashmere. Thank you, Mr. Cashmere right here. Thank you. Talk. You even, well, you understand what I'm saying? We moving, shall we? Check on old Ava Rice. See what old Ava Rice talking about. Let's see, which one is this? This is the B&B side. So what I'm doing over here is I'm consolidating. So I only got 3 big steaks. All I did was just take all these and just consolidate it. See, this one is 151,000. This one is 174,000. This one is 214,000. Instead of doing 42,000, 45,000, 33,000, 15,000. Just combine them into 3. You understand what I'm saying? That's all I did. Cause I want to get a consistent, I want to get a consistent 1 B&B or 2 B&B, whatever they add up to be. Like this one is going to pay out in a couple more days, so it'll probably be like 1.6 or something like that. B&B, that's fine. Shout out to the DCA, the Drip Community Alliance. You see where I'm at. You see what I'm doing. It's right now. Shout out to that. Go on Telegram, the Drip Community Alliance, DCA. Shout out to y'all, man. That's what I do, baby. Oh, hey, I don't talk about it. I be about it. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, like I said, so I got a couple more days to pay, and this one is kind of just starting. So this will pay out. What day we on? 53 or something like that? I don't know. I like 53. So I got like 6 more days on this one. So it'll be like maybe 2 B&B. This one got like 7 more days or something. So it'd be maybe 2.5 B&B. You know what I'm saying? Now eventually I'm about to go back in the lobby and add on top of it to keep my B&B going. You see what I'm saying? You just got to know how to count, man. That's all you got to do is know how to count, baby. Let's go over to the BUSD side. See what we got going on over here. Show you some more how to count. All right, we on the BUSD side. I got what 9,000 to take out of here. One of my stakes in. Now let me show you how to count. Let me show you. All this stuff is percentage. Anything that's doing with passive income, bro, is percentage based. I'm telling you, you better learn percentages, or you're just gonna be exit liquidity for everybody else. I don't care how to pretty the platform look, how much you think you getting, how much you feel good. You're gonna get left behind if you don't understand percentages, bro, and taxes. Now listen, I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. I'm gonna take this one stake right here. This is $5,000 even. If you put in $5,000, you got 8,726. This is with no referrals, just 5,000. Period. Nothing else, right? So I got what 3,462 with about with day 10. We got about 3 more days of earning on this one, right? So this is let me put up the calculator. Now I know that's about 70% just by looking at it, because all I do is percentages. That's how I know how much money I'm making. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is what I'm particularly. This is right now. Like, it ain't even finished yet. 3 more days. This is right now, right? So let's take 3, 4, 6, 2. Divide that by how much money you put in. That's $5,000. $5,000 equals 69. That's almost 70%. That is 70% ROI in like 7 days. That's 10% a day. See? Pay attention back down in the back now. You back down eating your boogers. Pay attention. Trying to teach y'all to get this money, man. Come on, dog. Why? Y'all keep getting these 50% taxes. Y'all ain't gonna make no money. I'm trying to try to make them. It's just that simple. So you can't. What people try to do is look at what the total they put in. Look at the total right here. You can do it that way, but that doesn't make sense because these are different days and they pay out different amounts. You know what I'm saying? You can't get in day 8 and think you'll get the same ROI as day 1. You see what I'm saying? Or day 3. You know, this is really day 1, but it's day 3. So anybody in this platform should have a 3 by their number. You should. I tell you all the time, get in day 1, bro. No matter what, throw in something day 1. You can't come look, oh, they making money. No, let me jump in day 11. It don't work that way, bro. I tell you that all the time. Only thing you can control is when you get in. That's it. Now look, here's the tax switch. Okay, now let's just say this platform pay out double. Just for, you can pay out 360 or whatever it is. Let's just keep the numbers even. Let's say, okay, this platform pay out double what you put in, double your money, right? You max out at double, then you gotta do with it. All right, cool. So let's say this $5,000. Let's say this 10,000. So I'll double my money and I'm ready to get out, right? I got 10,000. I'm ready to get out. But when you hit that sale, now all of a sudden you got to make a choice, because if you want all your 10,000, you get hit with a 50% penalty. Now, if you just want 1,000 of your 10,000, you only get the regular 10% or whatever penalty, whatever, the regular everybody do. But if you want all your 10,000, you got to pay 50%. So you be like, yeah, I want my money. So you get take that 50% hit. Now you ain't made no money because you put in 1,000. Then you pay the 50% hit. And you only got, you put in 5,000. You take a 50% hit on 10,000. You only got 5,000 back. You haven't made any money. You see what I'm saying? So here's the thing. If you change it around, people will not do it. If you say, if you call it the Joe Biden whale tax, then all of a sudden people will be, oh man, I don't want to do that platform. They got too many taxes. They got the Joe Biden whale tax. I don't want to do that. You see how stupid people are? If you just change the name, same concept, same everything. If they say, oh, this is Joe Biden whale tax, I ain't doing that. That ain't good. I like freedom. I like moving around. I like so. You see how I just flipped the script just that quick? You got to be smart, man. You got to understand percentages and taxes, not what something look like, how it make you feel good and all that. It's about what you put in your pocket versus what you take out and put in somewhere else. That's why you just spinning the wheels and not understanding, not making no money. Ain't nobody teaching you this. When I hit that collect button, whatever is right here is going right here. This is my MetaMask. You understand what I'm saying? Move about freely. There's nowhere else I'd have made 70% in 7 days. Nowhere. Like, you gotta understand percentages, bro. Like, for real. But let's keep it moving, shall we? Oh, I'm preaching and teaching today, baby. Let's check on this piggy bank, baby. Oh, 50. But why this thing just stabilizing now? I think I'm gonna make me another deposit. I think I'm gonna make me another. In the next video, I'll probably make another deposit into the animal farm. Cause see, here's the trick. Let me here's the trick. Think about this. Like, this been out so long, people done forgot how much money they put. You get all these stakes and stuff. You done forgot how much money you done put in, how much you done took out. Ain't nowhere to show it. You know what I'm saying? So you just know what you collecting, right? So let's say I do another $5,000 deposit. And I don't know. Let's say I pay $200 a day. I don't know, whatever it is. Now I got another line that's gonna pay me $200 on top of what I'm getting here. And I don't forgot. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt. It's almost like free money, because whatever I did to get in here, I don't even know what it was. You see what I'm saying? All I know is I added to it, and I'm getting that money plus this money plus this money. I'm talking about today. Today is what counts. You understand what I'm saying? That's how it goes in these platforms. You can't rest on your laurels. Like, I think I put $12.50 on this one, and I had $7, and man, you add on to it, and it's gonna make that money much bigger. Even what I'm making now, when I add to it, it's gonna be that much bigger. Then I might add more to it. As long as it's here and it's paying, I'm probably gonna keep adding to it. Especially if the price stabilized. That's just what it is, man. Do you see how simple that is? Try it. Try to add you a stake with no time on it, just zero, and see what I'm talking about. You be like, oh damn, okay, because you adding stakes that's making money. Just that simple, baby. That's what I do. I teach how to make money. Let's go over here to BNB Miner. Let me connect that wallet. That's what I do. Connect that wallet. Ain't nobody connecting them wallets, man. Like your boy. Even as the contract going down. What's that, 3.6? I'm going to pocket that a little bit right now. Sometimes I compound, sometimes I pocket. That's just what it is. You make money going up, you make money coming back down. See, people, I don't know, man. I don't know what people be talking about. Like, it doesn't matter if it's going up or down if you're still making money. It doesn't matter if this is 11,000 or 7,000. If this 3.6 is going in my wallet, it's going in my wallet. I don't care what that say. As long as that say 3.7 or better, well, I can get this. We good, Jack. That's all I care about. You understand? I'm teaching today, boy. I am teaching today, Jack. And you know the best part I like about it? I get the whole 3.6, baby. Ain't no pimp at the door taking no extra 50%, no 25%. If I put 2 of them back in there and all that, man, no. See that? Bam, just right to the wallet. That's how crypto should work. From the platform to my wallet. Don't be at the door trying to take no more of my money. Don't be telling me it's good for me, good for the platform. That's that prostitute stuff. Like, yeah, it's good for the other prostitute. Give me all the money you made last night and I'm going to take care of the other prostitute. No. Give me my money. Anyway, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.